Hello, friends. We welcome to Legal Breeze. In today's edition, we will be discussing about the importance of mobile forensic evidence or cyber forensic evidence. You can also term it broadly digital forensic evidence. What is its importance? How it can create new tie-ins, or how it can be helpful in deciding the latest cases pertaining to freedom of expression and many other aspects. Though you have an expert opinion under 45 to 48 Indian Evidence Act, we have inserted the relevant amendments way back in 2000. But unless you have a first sophisticated technology and technocrats who have the ability to explain the same to the court, this evidence or expert opinion becomes meaningless. Both the parties should be equipped. First, the expert, certainly he will be having a greater expertise on his opinion, but we should have minimum knowledge to understand his or her expertise. This is very important. So, in which way we have trained our courts, staffs? That's $1 billion question. Not only it involves the judicial officers, uh, the whole gamut, like the police officers, prosecutors, even sometimes the lawyers on both the sides, witness, parties, many, the entire gamut of uh, people or stakeholders who are involving in the litigation need to be trained in this. You may ask or you may wonder why Ermalai Sir is speaking about all these things suddenly. You would have heard something about this Kariham issue. There are two fractions. This has happened in the British era. The East Indian Company have hired quote unquote some low caste people, and they have defeated successfully quote unquote Peshwas, which was comprising quote unquote higher caste people. Because you may ask me why, once again, why I am using this quote unquote low caste and quote unquote higher caste, because the Tamil culture rejects both, because our Thiruvalluvar advocates as only Pirapukkum Ella Uyirkum Samam. There is nothing called higher or superior or inferior. So equality has been given to us by our Tamil culture, Tamil legacy. So that's why we use such a terminology. Now let us come back here. What is the issue? Some people have been arrested, including a poet called Vare Vare Rao at the age of 80 plus. It's very unfortunate. It's the greatest threat posed by the state on the freedom of expression. Now, one of the revelation, there is a person called Ronald Wilson. The revelation given by arson consultant, it is an expert firm providing opinion on the cyber forensic. Now, this firm reveals lot of things to us. First, the system or laptop, mobile, whatever gadgets used by Sri Ronald Wilson has been compromised. How it has been compromised? That's the question. There is a concept called net wiring. How the net wiring is done? There is another technique called RAT. This RAT is not the mouse or மூஷிக வாகனம். This is different. நம்ம தமிழில் எலின்னு சொல்லுவோம். That is different. This rat is RAT, caps all in capital letters. Remote access Trojan. So that is the explanation what they give. So through this technique, anyone can occupy your system, your mobile, your electronic gadget, and once people have intrude into this, they can successfully do everything. They can create files into that. They can administer your system through remote location. That's the crux. They can manage everything. So thereby they can manipulate everything. It may come through you through an unknown email. The moment you open this mail, You are allowing access to that other person. Your system gives access to the unauthorized person. So that's a very, very dangerous one. So it can be used for surveillance purposes illegally by non-state entities, sometimes state entities. So we are not sure who has done in this particular case is concerned, but the expert opinion shows that Mr. Ronald Wilson's system has been compromised. File has been shown, some files have been shown, including there is a letter threatening or assassinating Modi ji. But now the evidence shows that there is another technique, because you should know how this is getting disproved. There is another technique called NTFS. What is this NTFS? Again, all these things are in capital letters. New Tech File System. This is the another important system, the concept we all should know. Whenever you are creating a Word file in a docs format or some other format, immediately there will be an object code will be created, an object, okay, and anytime you create the file, modify the file, whenever you read the file, all these things will be stored in your system. All this data will be stored. Now, since this file has been transmitted through a device remotely operated or managed, this file has been installed into the system of Sri Ronald Wilson in a hidden way. He doesn't know such a file existing at all. He has never used such a file. He has never gone through even once. But this file has been shown against him and he has been arrested and all these things. Based on that, other persons have also been accused. Now this is being relied upon Sri Ronald Wilson. That since it has been compromised, since it has been proven, all these people has to be discharged. Certainly it's a very valid argument. But what is the lessons we are learning out of this? People today are very much addictive to the electronic gadgets, mobile phones, and many a time you are all always in online digital platforms. Please be careful. Sometimes whenever you are downloading an app, something in the form of add-on may come into your system that may steal many of your information. Sometimes they may an OTP would have come and a password have also been generated from your system as you have authenticated. So this will create lot of problems for you, particularly for banking frauds. So be careful whatever apps you are using. Recently you would have seen RBI would have issued certain guidelines. RBI would have banned certain apps. There are many apps calling true caller apps or false caller apps, whatever it is. People today, data mining, illegal data mining is the biggest menace in the digital environment. So be aware of it. Disseminate the right information about it. Again, go back to Valluvar days. Valluvar says, Miginum Kurayinum Noisayum, meaning if it is too much excess or too much low, both will create problem. Use it proportionately. Use it which is necessary. Don't go beyond it. So that's the message all of us should remember. So I am very thankful to all our friends. I would like to start a series on the data protection. We welcome your opinion, comments. Based on that, we would like to go forward. I would like to thank our entire Legal Breeze team who are working tirelessly